Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mrs. Mopkin, who's approaching.
No, look this way, man.
This courtroom starts quietly, but don't let that fool you. A mother of four, a request for bond, and allegations so violent they instantly change the tone of the room. What you're about to see is a judge weighing family hardship against public safety, self-defense claims against brutal injuries, and emotion against courtroom order. And just when you think the tension has peaked, an unexpected disruption turns this hearing into something much bigger. Stay locked in, because every decision here has real consequences.
Miss Latricia, she works at U of M as a housekeeper. Currently, she's on non-paid leave. However, that's temporary and she could permanently lose her job there. She has 4 kids, and one of them, Miss Latricia, is the sole provider for her kids. Her family is here today in court as well, and she has a place to stay with them upon release. So we're asking for Miss Latricia to be released, and she is okay with complying with GPS tether or any other conditions the court finds necessary.
Responsible.
Your Honor, at this point, I'm going to object. This is an extremely serious case in which the victim was attacked with a hammer in which she was hit in the head several times with that hammer. There was a struggle then for that hammer, and during that struggle, he was then stabbed in his stomach. So given the severity of this case and the injuries that she sustained, I'm going to object at this point to any modification of bond.
And Your Honor, we are presenting this case as a self-defense, and Miss Latricia would not be staying at that address upon release. She would be staying with her daughters, looking after her.
I mean, typically the self-defense isn't, I mean, are you indicating that the alleged victim possessed some weapon at some point?
I believe there was some form of altercation.
Well, an altercation is one thing. Are you saying that a weapon was possessed? Because that might factor into the court's decision, but if that's not what's being said, then I'm not sure that true self-defense is going to apply in any event, although I'm not trying to make that analysis.
There was no actual weapon.
Do this. There's the allegation that there are 2 weapons that would be used by this defendant.
He did have a knife, Your Honor.
Okay, then you can certainly address that. Even while I'll factor that in, I still don't think bond would be appropriate, or a reduction in bond would be appropriate in this case. I'm going to deny your request. Certainly you may raise that after the preliminary examination on the 20th before Judge Freshow.
This is the legal turning point. Despite the defense highlighting job loss, children, and housing support, the court zeroes in on one thing: the severity of the alleged violence. Hammer strikes to the head, a stabbing during a struggle. When the judge presses on self-defense, notice how the argument weakens once no weapon by the alleged victim is confirmed. That matters, because self-defense hinges on immediate threat. From a legal standpoint, bond denial here signals the court's concern about danger and flight risk. So ask yourself, did the judge make the only responsible call, or should family circumstances carry more weight?
Young lady? No, come here. Come here. Oh boy. Get her, Mr. Allen. Who is that?
She said
Who was that?
family of the last client, I believe, Your Honor. To the full moon.
What?
To the full moon.
No, people are usually better. They're not back yet. There's a problem. You got a problem probably in the hallway, guys. I'm sure security sees it. Can you just call and make sure that they're... How many more do I have practices?
So, just in custody. 2, 5, 6, 7. And you got that over there.
Be careful.
How much over? Oh.
Should have given bond.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Yes, so that matter has come back. So I looked up at GIS, but yesterday, the company's office called. They don't show. On next week. Go.
Right, I'm gonna just step off. If she brings them in, just throw her in the box over here or cup her, put her wherever.